This is Wig Brandi, and Brandi is giving me rich auntie vibes. Hi Fab Fam, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're just watching my channel for the first time, my name is Tessie. I am like a personal guide to upgrading or finessing your synthetic wigs. So in today's video, I'm going to be checking out another wig from Labello Beauty. A lot of you guys were asking me on Facebook, and guys, you can leave your comments on the videos. You don't have to go all the way to Facebook to ask me like personal wig care questions, so you can just drop it on the video and I'll definitely get to it. So in today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing another wig from Labello Beauty. Now guys, I did a wig from Labello Beauty before, and you guys, I don't think you guys are watching that video. If you haven't seen that video, please go see that video. It's basically a straight bob wig named Sierra, but today I am reviewing another wig, and this one I'm featuring my girl Brandi today. Meet Brandi, guys. Ooh, Brandi looks so good. Okay guys, this is how this wig came, and I've got a wig cap. Basically, wig caps comes with all of the wigs that you're buying. Not all of the wigs, but most of the wigs you buy comes with wig caps. So yeah, that's good. Guys, let's just get into this wig. So obviously the wig is from Labello Beauty and it's called Brandi. Brandi is a highlighted wig. I remember I did a highlighted wig review on my channel, and everybody was just like, oh my goodness, this highlight is so beautiful. Is it synthetic? That wig unfortunately wasn't a synthetic wig, but this one is a synthetic wig and it is looking good, guys. I think I'm so gonna get along with Brandi. Like seriously guys, Brandi is gonna be my new BFF. Let's get into Brandi. So I'm just gonna take this off. Ooh. Oh goodness, people, look at this wig. Look at this wig, people. Oh, I just so love the fact that Labello Beauty wigs are so silky, so soft, and you could just run your fingers through it. Like if you haven't seen my last video, go check it out. That's like a straight bob, and that wig is on point. Like I wore the wig straight one week and it's still not going bad or giving me like mushy vibes. I think I'm gonna get along with this one so well. So let's put Brandi on and see how Brandi fits. And guys, like I told you guys before, Labello Beauty wigs comes like really pre-customized. Like what do I mean by that? It came flicked out. You could literally just put it on your hair and just cut off the excess lace and you're good to go. So I'm just gonna adjust the strap a bit because my head is literally so small. So I'm just gonna adjust the strap just to give me like a really tight fit. I usually just go in and tie it, but I don't want to tie this one today, so I'll just reduce it. So there's like a strap and then there's like a space where you could kind of like make it smaller or make it bigger. So you can remove this one if you want the wig bigger, or you can just put it in one of those hooks and then make it be smaller. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in the first hook because my head is literally really small, so I need like a nice tight grip. I'm actually filming in my new studio and it's a shed, so if you hear like some like windy vibes or like bird vibes, then that's because I'm in a shed literally. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on, and this wig has like 2 combs in front, which I'm gonna take off anyways because I don't like front of my wig bumpy or kind of like high in a way. So I'm just gonna take those off, but it's got 2 combs for when you want to like hook it on your hair and make it like kind of tight. And then adjustable strap, there's no hook at the back. So yeah, I'm just gonna put that on. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get that tight grip. Just gonna pull that and then hook it. Okay, that's tight enough for me. I'm just gonna go ahead and brush it. Ooh, like, girl, look at this. Look at this. Just look at that. So soft, thinned out, like literally thinned out. You know how I love my wig thinned out, and that's one of the things I love about Labello wigs. It came really customized, thinned out. Like, what are you telling me right now? Like, what are you talking about? This looks so much like a real hair. Like, I'm super impressed with Labello Beauty. This is the second wig I'm trying from Labello Beauty, and I can tell you that this company is not here to joke. Like, this company is not joking. It's not joking. Look at this wig. Look at this wig. No, if you're not ordering right now from Labello Beauty, then girl, Labello Beauty wigs doesn't need like much work. So you don't have to like do a lot of things like I do on all the synthetic wigs that I get from AliExpress or Amazon. So you don't need to do much things. Just put it on, comb it, cut off the excess lace, and you're good to go. And that's literally everything I'm gonna do with this wig today, except for one thing. Like, I don't wear any wig without making the part really bright, clear, and obvious. So I'm just gonna go in and do the part, and that's literally the only thing I'm gonna be doing on this wig today. So I'll take that off first. Just to get that part clear. And you basically know how we do it, so just hold on to it, roll it round your hand, and pull. You guys seeing how neat that part is looking? The next thing is to cut off this lace. So I'm just gonna get this. Take that out of the way. Get close to the camera. think I would like here to be a tiny little bit customized. Yep, perfect. The next thing will be concealer. So I'm just gonna use this really bright concealer. Actually, it's not my skin color, it's really bright, and the reason why I'm using that is because I'm gonna go in with my powder to make it really natural, but in the meantime I just need this to like stick underneath, like the lace. Now I'm gonna go with my powder, which is much more darker, and then I'm just gonna touch it. Yeah, that's basically done. Oh my god, basically done. I'm just gonna brush it again. Guys, the next step is your iron, but you don't have to do this step. Like, as you can see, this wig is actually really finesse. It's flat at the top, it's not bumpy like the normal synthetic wigs. It's really laid in front, it doesn't look odd or off, so everything pretty much looks cute on this wig. Like, I don't even need to do anything serious on this wig, but me, I kind of like a very flat wig, so I'm just gonna use my and then put it on there. So this is how the wig looks. Now I'm just gonna flatten it a bit, and remember, it's synthetic hair. Don't put too much heat, just minimum heat. And voila, people, this is the final look of this wig. Can you see how flat it is? Like, I am looking so cute right now. Like, Labello Beauty, you guys own the synthetic hair industry right now, because this wig right here looks, not only looks, feels like human hair wigs. Like, so soft, it's not too shiny, the texture is so soft. I don't know what to tell you guys. Like, This is Labello Beauty wig. This is their Wig Brandi. If you haven't ordered yours yet, girl, I don't know what you're doing. Go and order your wig from Labello Beauty, because this wig right here takes the lead. Last video was their wig Sierra, and that was a short like straight bob, and that wig literally took my heart. Today's video is Wig Brandi, and look at Brandi. Like look at, just let me just go. Look at Brandi, guys. Take a look at Brandi. The wig is a bit shiny, but not too shiny. You can just spray your dry shampoo on it, and then the shine will literally just go off. Just a minimal amount of shine. It is so beautiful. It gives you that flat wig look. You didn't even need to do much. I didn't do so much on this wig because the wig already came really nicely customized and finessed, so I didn't need to do much. For all my ladies who don't really want to do a lot of stuff on their wig but want like a really affordable synthetic wig, this is for you. This wig comes really finessed and part customized. If you want, you can just put a little bit of concealer in the part and you're good to go. But I had to just like tweak it a little bit more because I love my part wide and pronounced or clear. So yeah, that's why I went in and did that. Apart from that, I didn't do much. I just put my hot comb and my flat iron, and then I flat ironed it just like you've just seen in the video. Okay, in the meantime, Fab Fam, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and do not forget that I post videos now every Sunday. Guys, I'm so sorry for the irregularities in posting videos, basically because my 9-to-5 job is a little bit demanding and I can't be putting out content every Mondays and Fridays like I used to. So now I'm just gonna be putting out content every Sunday, and I hope you guys are not mad. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys keep your comments and likes coming in. Look at me, look at how cute this wig looks right now. Like, I am sold, literally sold. This wig, remember, is from Labello Beauty, and they are luxury synthetic hair company in the UK, but they can ship to you wherever you are. So yes, if you're interested, I'm gonna put everything that I know about this wig in the description box, so you can go ahead and check it out. Guys, like literally, I am feeling this wig. Like, I don't even know what to say. Like, yep, we've come to the end of this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and for sticking with me, for subscribing, for also commenting. Keep your comments coming in, keep your likes coming in, because that's the only way I'm gonna know that you're interested in the content that I put out, and it's gonna give me more push to put out more content. Yeah, if that makes sense. In the meantime, Fab Fam, don't forget to drink lots of water, moisturize, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel before, please subscribe, and I'll definitely be seeing you in another video. Bye, Fab Fam.